Good morning, children. Yesterday we wrote name the following. In this lesson, I am not going to give you very big question answers. Only one question I am going to give. That is about the importance of the Himalayan mountains. I am going to give you. What is the significance of the northern mountains? Means Himalayan mountains. 8 points are there. I am going to give you only that question. Nothing else. After that, I am going to give you the states and capitals of the places in the Himalayan mountains. States which are lying in the Himalayan mountain region and their capitals also I am going to give. Let me see if time permits, today only I will give or else tomorrow. First let me give you that question. Okay. So I am going to write it on the blackboard. What is the only one question? Answer this question. Answer this question. What is the significance of the northern mountains? Okay, this is the first question. What do you know about the Himalayan mountains ranges also? Is different question. Okay. How do the Himalayas protect us from very cold winds? That I am not going to give you. Our answer is the Himalayan mountains the Himalayan mountains are very useful to for our country in many ways. The Himalayan mountains are very useful for our countries in many ways. First one, they guard our northern borders. They guard our northern borders, passes and gaps in the mountains, passes and gaps in the mountains, passes and gaps in the mountains, help in crossing them. Help in crossing them. So there are 8 points, children. I will write them one by one. It is the only answer I am going to give you today. They guard our northern borders. What is the use of Himalayas for our country? That is the importance of the Himalayan mountains. Significance means importance. They guard our northern borders. Passes and gaps in the mountains help in crossing them. So third point I will write here. I am rubbing it completely. It is on page number 19 and 20. You can refer to the textbook also. Third point, they protect us from very cold winds, very cold winds blowing from the north. They protect us from very cold wind blowing from the north. They check the monsoons. What are monsoons? Rain bearing winds are monsoons. They check means stop. Check means stop. They check the monsoons. These are the rain bearing winds. They check the monsoons coming from south. Coming from south and cause heavy rainfall. And cause heavy rainfall. They check the monsoons coming from the south and cause heavy rainfall. Fifth point, they are the source of many of perennial rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. They are the source means main place from where the river originates. For the perennial rivers means they never dry up. They flow throughout the year. So these are 5 points. Third point, first point, they guard our northern borders. Second, passes and gaps in the mountains help in crossing them. Third, they protect us from very cold winds blowing from the north. They check the monsoons coming from the south and cause heavy rainfall. They are the source of perennial rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Now, sixth point, they provide water to our farms. They provide water to our farms. They provide water to our farms. Seventh, the Himalayan forests provide timber and herbs. Timber and herbs. There are many wildlife sanctuaries in the Himalayan wildlife sanctuaries in the Himalayan forests. So these are they provide water to our farms, means fields. The Himalayan forests provide timber, means big wooden logs, and herbs, medicinal value plants. There are many wildlife sanctuaries, means protected areas where the wild animals are living freely. They are called sanctuaries. These are the uses of the Himalayan mountains for our country. Okay. Now, next question is, what do you know about the Himalayan mountain ranges? What do you know about the Himalayan mountain ranges? Answer is the Himalayan mountains the Himalayan mountains are divided into three ranges. They are, first one, Great Himalayas, which are known as Himadri. Himadri. Second, Middle Himalayas, Middle Himalayas, which are known as Himachal. Third, Lower Himalayas, Lower Himalayas, or they are known as Shivalik ranges. They are known as Shivalik ranges. This is what we know about the Himalayan mountain ranges. Okay. So these two questions from the text are enough. Tomorrow I will give you about the states and capitals of the states in Himalayan mountain ranges. Okay. So this is it for today, children. Thank you so much. Copy it.